Alright, what's up guys? This is Lucas here. So today I have a massive unboxing, probably one of the biggest speedcubing unboxings YouTube has ever seen. I've got not one, not two, but three packages. So here they are. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. And last but not least, here's the third one. I can't even fit them all in frame. So I'm incredibly excited for this unboxing, or unpackaging really. So I think I'm going to go in order from biggest to smallest. So let's go ahead and start out with the massive package. By the way, I don't really know what's in any of these. I just know they're all for Moyu. Yeah, we'll just have to see. You'll be finding out with me, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so I just see a lot of cubes, which is exactly what I wanted to see, but this is kind of crazy. I'll go ahead and line everything up. Oh my goodness. I'll try to fit everything in frame, but this is absolutely ridiculous. I don't think I've ever had this many cubes, and ever had this many cubes in a package, and we're just into the first one. So it looks like I've got 6 puzzles and 2 mats. So I'm pretty sure Moyu just started out with these mats. Alright, here they are. I'll go ahead and unravel one of them just to show. I think these are extremely long. Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, I can't even fit this all. But essentially, it's a humongous Moyu mat. It's almost like a gaming pad. That's actually really cool. So yeah, and the other one is just more cubing oriented, so a little bit smaller. And now onto the cubes. Let's start with this one right here. I think it's a GTS 3. Okay, this is magnetic. Wow. That's pretty incredible. It's very fast, but the magnets are at a strength where it's pretty controllable. So, corner cutting isn't the greatest because it's a little bit tight right now. But yeah, I like it. And the ridges are also pretty interesting. Also got this adjustment tool. Very innovative, but we'll just have to see how it turns out with some solves. Alright, next it looks like we have some barrel cubes. Let's see, this one is the Moyu Barrel Ready Cube. Transparent. And I think the other one's just stickerless. Okay. I can understand why it's a ready cube, because it turns the exact same way. It's a little bit stiff, but I think that's expected. But yeah, really cool concept. And this one is the exact same, possibly a little bit easier to distinguish the colors, and it turns a little bit more smoothly. So yep. Alright, so it looks like we've got some 2x2s and maybe a 4x4, or no, 3x3. So I'll go ahead and do the Zhang Lang M 2x2. I have not tried this one either. Okay. So inside is just the traditional Moyu packaging with a tutorial sheet and also a card of, looks like mossy edge. It's kind of hard to pull out. Yep, that is mossy edge, definitely. don't have his card yet. But here is the cube. First sight, it kind of looks like a wuxia because the internals are not colored. Okay, but it is stickerless. Okay, yeah, the magnets are a lot less. They're a lot lighter than on the GTS 3, which is really good for a 2x2. It just adds that needed stability. Okay. This kind of feels like a cross between a MF2S and a Weipo. It's quite a bit more stable than the Weipo, but it's got the a little bit more of a hollow feeling, which is similar to the MF2S. But yeah, the cube turns very well and is most certainly a high-performing puzzle. And I imagine this one is just the non-magnetic version of the cube, which should not be all that different, but it could be. We'll see. This one I got Keaton, which is pretty funny because Keaton does not do 2x2. But wow, this looks really appealing. The internal primary, or the primary internals in the black plastic. Oh. That's really good. This one's faster than the magnetic one. I actually might prefer the non-magnetic. Because 2x2s are actually, it's not that necessary to have magnetic. But yeah, essentially the same cube. Good performance as well. Alright, and here is the GTS 3M, a packaged version. That's pretty neat. It comes in this plastic box and has some, I guess, okay, has some tensioning tools. So it should be the same as this cube. I'm not sure. Oh, that sounds different a little bit. This one doesn't feel lubed, but this one does, maybe something like that. But they feel almost exactly the same. Maybe it's just the presentation, I don't know. But yeah, good cube. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I like the box too. Very classy. Alright, so that's it for round one of the unboxing. The mats are on to my side. Let's move on to package 2. Alright, here we are. More cubes. My gosh, I've never experienced this where it's just endless unboxing. This round we have some big cubes. It's a nice change. I believe this is quite an old package. It might be from April or something like that. Because I think these are prototypes. I'm not sure. Okay, we'll start out with the 3x3s. So Moyu's got this theme of just like transparent like MF3Ss or something, and then just cool designs on the outside. The cubes don't perform the greatest, but they look cool, and that's really all that matters. This is the other one, pretty similar. Alright, so I'll start with Dashi Gts. I I guess this is non-magnetic. Oh, okay. Got Drew. I'm not sure I've ever gotten that card before, but, well, now I haven't, so. Alright, this did not come with any wrap, but that's okay. Whoa. Okay, I don't think I've ever felt a 6x6 out of the box that's that good. But I haven't even, like, gotten a new 6x6 in over 2 years, so, yeah. Okay. The turning quality is most definitely far ahead of what I have is my main, just like a pretty much a stock Yushin Red. But there's a little bit of, it's not sluggishness, it's just that the layer, I don't know, it's maybe a little bit of static turning. I think lube would definitely help with that, but this cube turns phenomenally. Dang, that's so good. Yeah, this would be my main, probably right out of the box. Yeah, pretty good. It doesn't feel too big either. From the pictures, I thought it would be bigger, but apparently not. Okay, and of course you cannot go without the magnetic versions these days, so that's exactly what we have here. The Dashi Gts M and the Chuang Gts M. Okay, both of these are stickerless. Yeah, I'm excited to try. Here's the 6x6. Oh. Wow. Okay, it's a little bit difficult to turn, but I mean, not difficult, just a little bit more force, but I think that added stability definitely makes it worth it. The cube just overall feels a lot more consistent. Man, that's incredible. This is better than like my 7x7. Wow, that's fantastic. Man, people really weren't joking when they're saying this cube is crazy. Yeah, I'm really liking that. Okay, and then I hope the 5x5 performs just as excellently, so let's see. I don't think I received a non-magnetic version, but okay, let's just go. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, that's all I have to say. This feels a little more swishy, so kind of resembles the, and it's not even, maybe a little more swishy, but it's actually more smooth. It almost feels a little bit like the Aosu GTS, except it's not as clacky. It's just buttery, which is actually really good. Yeah, I think it's faster than the Wushuang. That's really good. Really good. It's also more bubbly, which is characteristic of a lot of Moyu cubes. But yeah, it feels really compact though. Well, I wouldn't say that. It feels more compact than something like a Weichuang, which I think that's something the cube really needed. So yeah, I think definitely I would give this cube a very, very good grade. Very nice. Alright, so that is package 2. Pretty much just the big cubes. So that leaves us with one more package, so let's get right into it. Alright, here it is. I've already cut into it, so Okay. Not entirely sure. I think these are non-magnetic cubes. Pretty sure I requested these. Should be a non-magnetic GTS3, perhaps. So yeah, these should be just non-magnetic GTS3s, which, especially for blindfolded specialists, these could be very, very good cubes, very useful. So yeah, same presentation as the magnetic version, except the box is white. Okay, let's try this out. Ooh. That's pretty good. I'm kind of interested to see like what OH solvers think of this, because I know a lot of the times in OH my pinky doesn't exactly catch on to the right layer, but with the ridges, I think those could fix that issue. Yeah, I mean, of course the cube's a little bit more unstable, but it's still not even, it's still very manageable. I mean, it's still not super flexy. I'm just trying to figure out how to compare this to a GTS2. I think the visual aspect just makes it seem more difficult, but I think they're somewhat similar. So there isn't really much of a click or just a little bump anymore. It's essentially totally smooth, which can be really good if you're going for a fast puzzle. But yeah, I think this definitely has a lot of potential for different types of 3x3 solvers. Maybe even some feet potential, who knows. I have no idea how good feet hardware, or what good feet hardware is. And then in the other package, or the other box, the cube is exactly the same. So yeah. Nothing different here. So that wraps up package 3. Just got some non-magnetic cubes in there. Alright guys, it's been a long journey, but to wrap up, here is everything that I received from Moyu. I cannot express how grateful I am for them sending everything out. I'll try to leave all of the links to these puzzles in the description. I think a lot of them are definitely some of the highest performing cubes on the market, and maybe I'll have some more videos on some of them, but for now that's about it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.